Want to go viral with your content? In today's video, I'll reveal how AI can help you create viral videos, posts, and content that actually gets attention. First, let's explore idea generation. AI tools like ChatGPT can instantly give you trending ideas, titles, and hooks. Say goodbye to creative block. Next, we'll craft attention-grabbing titles and thumbnails. AI suggests powerful keywords. Tools like Canva AI or Midjourney help design visuals that truly stand out. Now, it's time to personalize content at scale. With AI, you create variations of the same post, customized for different audiences. This strategy increases reach and engagement. Let's dive into analysis. AI analytics tools track which formats, hashtags, and styles thrive. Learn from insights and double down on what performs best. Moving forward, we'll automate editing and repurposing. Turn one long video into 10 viral shorts with AI editors like Pictory, OpusClip, or Descript. More content means less effort. Finally, let's master engagement with AI copywriting. AI helps craft captions and calls to action. This encourages likes, shares, and comments from your audience. And that's how AI can help you go viral. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI-powered growth hacks.